Hello, bookworms and finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to another intriguing review. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance management with your score, an insider's secrets to understanding, controlling, and protecting your credit score by Anthony Davenport. This book is a comprehensive guide to navigating the complex world of credit scores. Anthony Davenport shares his wealth of knowledge gained from experience working as a credit risk underwriter in the financial sector. He spills the beans on what's really happening behind the scenes when you apply for credit, and how you can use this knowledge to your advantage. From understanding how different types of debt impact your score to maximizing your credit limit, he offers practical tips and strategies for building and maintaining a strong credit score. Davenport also covers common mistakes that can negatively affect your score and explains how to rectify them. With its concise writing style and easy-to-follow explanations, Your Score is an accessible guidebook for anyone looking to improve their financial health. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, grab a copy of this book and start building that unbeatable credit score. Thank you for joining us today on our Book Review in a Minute channel. If you found this review helpful or enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more book reviews on various genres. Until next time, keep reading and discovering.